Alright, so for anyone wondering what the sound the K&N 77 makes, installed on a Jeep Grand Cherokee, the 3.6, this is what it sounds like. You know, it's quite a good tone. You know, it's not raspy. It's a lot deeper than if you were just to do an exhaust system on the car. You know, at normal idle, you don't even hear it, but when you really, you know, here I'm gonna do a normal idle. See, so at takeoff, you don't really hear it. Just cruising, you know, it's not annoying. And, you know, I have the windows down right now, and I'm gonna put them all up. You know, there's no drone inside the cabin. I mean, obviously it's not an exhaust system, but you know, it does suck in a lot of air and it's super loud when you want to get on it. You know, I love it because it's a deeper tone. You know, it's not quite a V8 tone, but it is a lot deeper than the normal, you know, sound you would get from the Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6. And you know, for the money and the quality of the product, it's well worth what you're paying for it. I did get mine on carid.com for the 2015 Grand Cherokee 3.6 V6. You know, I think it's a lifetime warranty on the product itself. It's made out of metal, and it's an open filter that is just ginormous. So one, you're sucking in a lot more air than you would with the normal MAF box that comes on these Jeeps. And two, the quality of the product is just absolutely amazing. I mean, it's really nice metal tubing. Everything fits to spec, and super easy to clean. You know, if once it gets dirty, I think you should clean it probably every, like, I'm not sure what the recommendation is on it. I'm gonna say 30,000 miles. Look at it. 50,000 miles, probably, you know, take it off and, you know, spray it down or clean it or whatever. You know, if something was to go wrong, you do have a lifetime warranty on the filter itself, so I think they'll replace it for you if you send it back in, or email them letting them know that the product itself is defective or, you know, just worn down. But yeah, so, you know, overall, I'm gonna roll the windows down a little bit. You know, it's really nice sound. As far as horsepower additive, I'm not quite sure. You know, I haven't had this thing on a dyno. I do have the sheets for it though, from a previous test on another Grand Cherokee, that says that it did add 14 horsepower, which, you know, I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of comments saying, yeah, that's not true, or, you know, that's just a myth or whatever. But you know, as far as, you know, off the line and response time with this, it is significantly better. And, you know, I'm looking into getting a pedal commander, which, you know, plugs into the OBD2 sensor underneath the steering wheel, or the connector or whatever, and that will also adjust my, you know, sensitivity on the throttle and allow me to take off at, you know, no lag resistance at all. You know, but yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this helps you out if you're looking into getting a K&N intake. And you know, like and subscribe to the video. Comment if you'd like on things that you think I should do to this Jeep. I'm gonna have more uploads to things that I've done to this Jeep and other, you know, sorts of shit. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications for upcoming videos, and we'll see you guys soon.